can't I get to sleep? Let's try it again. Warm milk. White noise machine. Dim lights. Sweet little squid with cats on wings. Everything and everybody clearly stings.
Oh yeah, Fizz Bomb Cola.
Will you two psychopaths keep it down?
Oh, Squidward, how you doing?
Horrible! I haven't slept for 3 days. Hey, that's great! It is not great! I got an audition with the Bikini Bottom Philharmonic Orchestra tomorrow morning, and I'm a nervous wreck.
Why don't you try taking a walk? Works for me.
You know, normally I jump up and scream when you appear like that. But I'm so tired, I'm just gonna take your stupid advice.
No, Pepper, no! We gotta keep it quiet.
Uh-oh.
Tell my parents I love them.
Yes!